take Mr. Flynn out on the balcony with me to finish the rest of my casual workout. Let's go, boy. Where are you going? The wrong way, yo? Come on, where are you going? No, this way. Come back. Come back. Come back. Don't flick it. You're going back. Come on. There you go. Silly boy. Come on this way. This way. Come on. Come on. He always goes right to the edge, which I don't like. There, I attached him to the chair so he won't accidentally jump over the edge or anything, and I'm gonna do some kettlebell deadlifts. Rolled all around on that balcony, sir. You're filthy. Oh, he's real serious about it too. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to another day in the life vlog. I realized I didn't do an intro to this vlog, so anyways, today I'm going to be going out for dinner with Rachel and one of her friends. We're going to be going to KOST, which is one of the restaurants, a rooftop restaurant on top of the Bisha Hotel here in downtown Toronto. Hilariously enough, like if you wanted to book a reservation at all, you had to book 2 months in advance. So we've had this reservation since like early July, which is insane. Then I quickly booked a reservation for us to go to, which is a bar that I've always wanted to go to. It's like a fancy cocktail lounge that's amazing for dates, and it was closed during the entire duration of this pandemic, but they're finally able to open up again. This is their first day that they're open. I am so excited because I've been dying to go here. I'm gonna take you guys with me, but if the end kind of tails off a little bit, it's because I was just having fun and enjoying myself with some drinks with the ladies. But I'm really excited, so I'm just going to share my little get ready routine with you guys. I know the lighting in this setup isn't very good. I still haven't problem solved a front facing light for this area, but I will at some point. But anyway, I realized I was doing my makeup and not even filming with you guys, so I'm doing one of my usual looks. It's very like I don't even know what you would call this look. Maybe like a dollish kind of look, but it's not like too crazy intense. Anyway, and I got my contact lenses in that I got from Amna Beauty. But anyway, I'm gonna share my lip routine with you guys because my lip routine has become a thing. I already started doing it and I stopped myself so I could show you. But essentially I just kind of go in and wipe off the excess. Oh no, I got dry skin, yuck. Well, whatever, we're just gonna have a dry chunky lip then. I think it's called like a Frankenstein lip. I don't know, but anyway, essentially you take like a very neutral brown, like darker eyeliner, and you just kind of go and extend your lip line out ever so slightly. That's like it for that part. You're not gonna go crazy. And then taking your fingernail, or you could use a brush if you wanted to, but I don't have any brushes that are clean enough for this process, and you just kind of pull it inwards and then feather it out with your finger so it's not too obvious what's going on. Then I just kind of proceed with my usual lip look, so using Max Spice. Oh, the previous product I used was what is it? Like I've had it for forever, and it's like the best eyeliner kohl pencil. Oh, Nude by Nature kohl eyeliner pencil in like, can't even see, it's all worn off. Oh, 02 brown. It's like a nice smudging, like espresso brown color. And this one is like a nice, really neutral, warm tone nude. Like it's really perfect. And I like to fill in right in between my Cupid's bow, like outside of my actual lip area, and just kind of like smudge that kind of in an upwards pattern. I really love a smoked out lip look. Like I've been obsessed with this style since the winter time, and I don't think it's gonna change. And then I just line the entire lip. I have an uneven lower lip, so I always struggle a little bit to get it perfectly symmetrical. It's like this lower part of my lip doesn't have as much volume as this side. It's always been like that my whole life. Taking the lip liner and just kind of like filling in that inner corner. If you're not using a lip liner, it seriously is a game changer, because no matter what color you put over top, it will last longer, whether it be like a lip tint or whatnot. I kind of leave the center of my lip a little bare because I don't like a heavy lip liner. Like I don't really push too hard. It's just kind of like the essence of lip liner. I slightly, ever so slightly overline my lip as well. Only on the upper part though. And then kind of go over that brown eyeliner that we extended our lip line with, and then with your finger you just kind of smudge it around so it doesn't look so heavy and intense. And then I like to smudge like the border as well. Like I really go for that like smudged out kind of faded lip liner look. And then going over the extended part as well, softening it so it's all smoky. Putting whatever's left over in my Cupid's bow. Like I really just like don't even care. And then I wipe off the excess that's on my finger on a tissue that I have by the side. Kind of pull in those inner corner lines a bit so they don't look too crazy. Pat, pat, pat with my wiped off finger. And then with the same finger, even though it's been wiped off, I just go over my like mustache area and just soften it again so there's no harsh lines. It's kind of like gradient lip, but more so a smoky lip than an actual gradient lip. And then pulling in a downwards motion on that in between Cupid's bow so it's not so obvious what the heck's going on there. And then just going and softening around the edges a bunch. But that's not it. I also take this lip tint by Romance, it's a Korean cosmetic brand. This is the Lasting Water Tint Handbook Edition in Pumpkin Brown, 11 Pumpkin Brown. It's, I think it's a limited edition one. I hope not, because I'm running out, and like, I've never gone through a lip product as fast as I have this one in my life, I swear. Other than when I was like in high school and I was using lip gloss every single day, like someone who is an addict, but I'm an addict to this, so. Anyway, I just apply it everywhere. And then that in-between space as well, I put some. Everywhere. It's like the perfect, honestly, everyday lip color for me, because it's like, it's not super intense and dark, and because it's a lip tint, it obviously like wears off a little bit and leaves like a gentle stain. And it's like, it's not wintry either, so you can get away with it like in the spring, the summer, the fall, like the winter, you can get away with it every day. Anyway, I just do the same thing, and I only blend the edges this time to take off the excess, so you do get a little bit of that gradient effect, but it's still smoky because of that lip liner. And then just pat the Cupid's bow area out so it's not too concentrated there. And that's it. That's my go-to lip look for the past half a year or more, honestly. Like, I'm obsessed. Anyway, I cleaned my contact lenses last night and I forgot to put them in their moistening solution. So they're feeling a little bit dry, but I should be able to wear them. I don't think I'll be out too late at night. Like the reservation that we have for the bar ends at like 9 p.m. So I'm old, y'all. Like I don't want to be out till like midnight, and then by the time I do my skincare routine and get ready for bed, it's like 1:30, 2 a.m. Like, I'm sorry. I'm not old. Anyway, I'm using my Lash King mascara by Majorca. It's the only mascara I use. Oh, I just smudged it everywhere. But anyway, I've gotten into the habit of doing like this pulling out routine where I literally just kind of pull it in an outwards direction. I don't know, I like it. I feel like it gives it an elongating effect, and then I do the opposite for the inner corner and I kind of pull it towards my nose bridge. Yeah, anyway, this is the makeup look. I'm gonna do my hair. Rachel's gonna be here soon, and then we can put on an outfit and head on out. Having a little glass of wine before we head out, just to get in the mood for being fancy, because I've been so busy this week with getting Glow Atelier ready for my new product launch, all 16 products, that I just need to just let go a little bit. Do you have my hair oil? I do. If you open the cupboard to the both of them, yeah, to the right hand side is all hair stuff. I usually use like 4 or 3 drops of the jojoba oil. There's a keratin dry oil mist. I don't recommend unless you put like 1 spritz in your hand and then really carefully run it through, because even though it's a dry oil, it does make you look really greasy.
Sure. Is the jojoba the OG one?
OG, yeah.
Cool, thanks. Can't tell whether it's hair or skin.
Well, you can use the OG one is a skin one, but it's also good for hair, so.
That's good, because I'm gonna put it in the ends of my hair and hope that my hair doesn't.
They didn't have an option to book for 3 people. You can only book for like 2 or groups of 2 or 4, but we can just say the person bailed, like whatever. Yeah.
Before?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Yeah, that's what I'm doing today though.
Yeah, so I was just telling Rachel, I booked one of the bars, like fancy cocktail lounges that I always wanted to go to pre-pandemic, because it was like always like one of my date spots that I wanted to go to, and it was like we could go here or here, and then I never ended up going. So they recently just reopened as of, I feel like, this week, and I feel like it's been since the whole pandemic, so that's like almost 2 years. So I was really excited, so I figured I would book it, and they had a spot available, and I'm like, we're going out already, let's just go. So I'm gonna take you guys with me for today's vlog. This is a really impromptu vlog.
Hi.
Rachel's here. Pardon my chaos.
Matching. We're like
unintentionally
matching, but like,
yeah,
white and black. Fabulous.
Yeah. I love it. So we're going to KOST today. It is the restaurant on top of the Bisha Hotel. Again, I haven't been there since like 2 years.
Well, I can't believe like that it was a 4:45 booking and I booked it like 2 months ago. Like that, you have to book like 3 months in advance to get like a 7 p.m.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Which is insane. So we are going to do that today, and I'm going to take you guys with me for like a fancy girls' night out. It's going to be great. So let's go. Like there's this around that, why can't I find the one? Anyway, there's a place that I found near Ontario Place that I really want to take a photo at before all the flowers are gone, because it's literally a massive fountain with flowers.
Oh, and that little place we found for flowers with all the, like that.
Yeah, because that's going to disappear soon. So like maybe next week. HoneyBii got recommended a TikTok that was like literally you.
Oh, really?
It was, what was it? It was just a TikTok about like planning a Halloween themed charcuterie night for the girls.
Yes.
And it was so intense. It was like pumpkin, croissant, like centerpiece, and it was just like insane.
I have a whole Pinterest board dedicated to like Halloween themed charcuterie boards, because I'm doing it. I want to do a night. It's gonna be fun.
Oh my god, I'm so excited for Halloween this year, because like Rachel and I were talking that they're not going to be really locking down this year, and they're going to implement a vaccine passport. So if you want to still out and go do stuff, you can, which is really exciting, because it's been like 2 years now, or 2 autumns, 2 winters.
Yeah.
Where you couldn't do anything.
The one before, and I went out twice for that Halloween, and it was amazing. It was my first like North American Halloween, and it was amazing.
I know.
And then everything got locked down. So.
It hasn't been like 2 Halloweens, so we're really looking forward to it this year, because we'll be able to like dress up and like maybe go to a bar, who knows, or a lounge. I like going to lounges, but
yeah,
we'll
me
see.
Too.
Which is what we're doing later tonight.
Like video, because I'm so formal in my
Woo, we made it.
Just.
Just made it.
We're late. I had to call them.
We had to call, but we're here. So let's go in and enjoy. Oh my God, it's been 2 years, honestly.
I turn this around, my camera, and then close it. It turns off.
Yeah, look. So it stops the recording and turns off. It's literally made for vloggers.
We got the same camera. Yeah, we got the same camera because we both broke our cameras in like 2 days of each other. And then this camera is amazing.
It is. I'm so glad we got it. Hey, here we are. I ended up just getting whiskey.
The butter they have on it. Oh.
Was this he has not stopped apologizing? I know.
Honestly, in the beginning, like having someone cancel on you. Before ladies.
It's wonderful. Yeah, thank you.
Really nice.
Oh, natural cherries fermented with natural.